Yan, okay na. Nag-start na yan.
Hello, good morning. Ako po ay nagwa-online study. Natapos na module. So, nakatatlong module na ako. At ngayon naman, I'm starting my fourth modules. Bali, ang una kong pinag-aralan is ito, Introduction to Caregiving. Ayan po. Yan, pag natapos na, lalabas yan yung mga yan, mag-turn green yan means you've done all the lessons. Tapos, after the buong module, they will give you certificate online. So, that's the course. Ano pa ba? Next is, itong developing the ability to recognize aging process. Na rin ako sa aking second module. May certificate na rin ako dyan. And next one is this participating the implementation and monitoring of clients care. Yan. Oops, medyo mahina yung ating signal. So, ito pala, po yung pangatlo kong module na katatapos lang, participating in the implementation and monitoring of clients care plan. Yan. So, na-perfect ko ang aking score dyan. So, I got my certificate. So, may tatlong module pa ako na kailangang tapusin, then matatapos ko ng aking caregiving course. Pwede ko na i-apply ito sa New Zealand. And in demand. So, kahit nasa bahay lang tayo, study. Ay, stop ko na to. Yan, ito na pong aking pang-apat na module, performing caring skills. Ito naman is about kung paano ka mag-monitor or paano mo kunin yung mga vital signs and features, the heartbeat, the ano pa. And then this module will help you to teach you to how to perform procedure in taking vital signs also. Yan, dami kong natutunan dyan. No? Dami pang mga lesson. No? I didn't start yet. Dito pa lang ako sa pre-test. Yan. So, Unit 1, this is monitoring and recording vital signs of the client. And after that, meron na tayong Lesson 1, vital sign. Lesson 2 is monitoring and recording vital signs. After lahat ng yan, then you can have a Unit 1 test. So, pag naipasama na yung test, pwede ka nang pumunta ng Unit 2. And ito naman is about assisting care clients. Yeah, ito. So, sabi dito, at the end of this unit, you should be able to assist client in fluids and dietary requirements, assist client in urine and bowel elimination. Yeah, all about healthcare sa ating mga um, seniors mostly na mga client if ever tayo ay mag-work as a caregiver. So, after that, pag natapos ko na po lahat ng lesson na ito, then I will take exam, Unit 1 and Unit test. Then after that, my overall test ulit as the activity called post-test. So, if natapos na lahat to, automatic, bibigyan ka na ng certificate. That's it, guys. Share ko lang aking daily or aking activities during the day na wala akong mga kids sa bahay. So, this is what I'm doing. Online study. Hello. Bale po yung module ko na yun is hindi ka po makakakuha ng certificate kung hindi niyo po maipasa yung exam. So, kailangan talaga na study ng mabuti kasi may oras din po yung pagti-take ng exam. Tsaka siyempre kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan lahat para pagdating ng exam is pasado agad. So, dahil, this is my first time to do online. So, nung mga nag-take ako ng exam before, siyempre parang first is na-failed, and then may mga first attempt, second attempt, then siyempre dahil first time, then nung medyo tumatagal na mas nagsi-sink in na yung ano, yung lesson talaga, yung about sa caregiving. Then habang tumatagal as nagkakaroon ka na ng knowledge, siyempre then pagdating sa exam then mas mabilis na po sumagot at saka mas ano ka na, mas marami ka ng alam. So, parang lahat naman ng exam is related doon sa course na, um, na or pinag-aaralan natin. Okay guys, sa mga gustong mag-online, it's free, so take the chance habang well, lalo na sa mga housewife na katulad ko na walang ginagawa, I think it's the best. It's good for you to do something in the house, online study. Kailangan mo lang ng laptop or computer, internet. Pwede rin kasi yan sa cellphone. So, pwede. Kasi pwede natin gamitin yung cellphone also to study online. So, salamat po sa e-test